An engine that makes more power from less fuel is great. But if stepping on the gas feels like you're communicating with the wheels via messenger pigeon, what's the point? To be fun, a car has to be responsive. Traditional automatic transmissions are great when you're starting from a stop or creeping along in traffic. However, we saw a big opportunity to improve their responsiveness and fuel efficiency. To make it a reality, we needed the best of two worlds: the getting going and first gear smoothness and controllability of a traditional automatic transmission, plus the direct connectedness and fuel efficiency of a manual transmission for the rest of the gears when you get rolling. Basically, we wanted a manual transmission that shifts for itself. Introducing the SkyActiv Drive 6-speed automatic, a new kind of transmission that marries a torque converter from a traditional automatic with a clutch from a manual. Making it all work and getting the kind of precise, split-second shifting we wanted meant our new transmission needed a mind of its own, literally. So, we implanted an advanced control module that's like having a professional race car driver in your gearbox, shifting with such quickness and precision, it can even perfectly rev match downshifts. With that kind of responsiveness, this high-performance gearbox also improves fuel economy by up to 7%. The net result? All boxes checked. Smooth, direct, and efficient. What more could you ask for? How about a better manual transmission too? One with the crisp, precise shift feel that you'd find in a Mazda MX-5 Miata. We wanted that incredible shifting performance and feel in every vehicle we make, so we engineered the SkyActiv MT 6-speed manual to have the shortest shift throw in its class, as well as being smaller, lighter, and stronger than its predecessor too. Thanks to both our transmissions' compact and lightweight designs, our new SkyActiv bodies could be built more efficiently around them, further contributing to the overall SkyActiv technology goals by bringing improved fuel economy and performance together. Jackpot. Both new transmissions are major innovations, and both already have the rest of the automotive world scrambling to catch up. They prove not only what Mazda is capable of, but what can be achieved when you refuse to compromise. SkyActiv technology from Mazda. The future of driving begins now. We build Mazdas. What do you drive?